Today I'm gonna make a video of my daddy. We're gonna make a volcano, so it's gonna be really fun. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Let's get started.
All right. So we've got these pieces. We don't really know what we're doing. We're winging this. We've never done it before.
We've never done it before, but we did get it from Michael's.
Yep, from Michael's. $7, right?
Which is enough for us.
Yep. So we've got this volcano tube. It looks like this goes in here.
Yep, I was right.
Can you do that for me? And then I'm gonna roll this up to make the volcano base.
The volcano base. So we are not following the instructions.
So we're gonna put these sticky pads on.
Super sticky!
And what these do, these will hold our volcano together when we wrap them up. Did you know that? You wanna put one on?
Yep.
Hold on, they're super sticky. All right, put it right down there on the bottom. Right there next to the other ones. Perfect. And now what we'll do,
Luckily it doesn't stick to my hands.
see how this is this shape? When you roll this, it looks like a volcano. Pretty cool, huh?
Yep.
We're just gonna roll it and then stick it.
They're super, we already know they're super sticky, so we think they're gonna stick to the volcano.
Actually, let's make sure it's big enough.
There.
Nice. What do you think? Does that look good?
Uh-huh.
All right, so here's what we gotta do next. All these little tabs, see all these little tabs? We gotta put these stickers on the tabs because they're super sticky too, and they're gonna tape it down. So I'm gonna do it like this, and I'm gonna put it on this tab. Push it really hard.
So it sticks.
Right, get all of them good.
Really good.
And now we have the base of our volcano. So the next thing we'll need is scissors. So make sure you ask an adult for help when you use your scissors. Jane, why don't you go get the scissors for us?
I already know not to run with scissors and snap them while you're walking.
That's right, that's not safe.
You might cut yourself, or you might stab yourself.
Good tip.
You always be very careful. Good thing I have my daddy here.
All right, will you cut for me? So now we're gonna take this mesh and we're gonna cut it out into 3-inch strips. So
that was the first one.
We're gonna cut it into 3-inch strips. So if you cut it right there, watch your fingers. Yep. There you go. We're just gonna keep doing this until the whole roll has been cut out. Now, what we've got is we've got this plaster mat that we're gonna wrap around our volcano. But first, we need a cup of water.
I'm having really fun while my daddy is playing with me. My daddy is making a volcano really good, and I love it so much.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this plaster and we're gonna dip it into our bowl of water. Get it nice and wet. Then we're gonna wrap it around the base of the volcano and it's going to stick. We're just gonna do that and work our whole way up.
That's how it's gonna stick. Oh my gosh! It's melting on there.
Alright, you ever seen someone with a broken arm, Jane? Put it right around.
Yeah.
This is the same stuff they make broken arm casts from. Pretty cool, huh?
Cool. So we're touching broken arm casts.
Yeah, same stuff. There we go, guys. It's nice, textured, and wrapped up. So we're gonna let it dry for a little bit.
Okay, our volcano is dry, and now we're gonna paint it.
Yeah, so it's supposed to dry for like 4 hours, but we just used a hair dryer, and now we're going to paint it and get it ready.
I already painted it before you
We've
did.
got some brown paint, and we have a bowl of water that we'll use to rinse our brush. Now, we're gonna paint some lava.
Go put some lava.
So you don't want to go with too much lava, because then
It won't explode.
it won't look as good. But I think this looks good. What do you think?
Yeah.
I think we're done painting. All right, so while we're gonna let that paint dry, we're gonna clean up a little bit.
We put dinosaurs and trees in it to make it a dino land.
All right, guys, so the magic moment is here. Tell them what we're gonna do.
We're gonna make it erupt.
Oh yeah. So what we got now is we've got some baking soda, we've got some citric acid, and we're gonna mix this in there, tablespoon each, or a teaspoon each, and then add some water, and watch this bad boy go. All right, we're gonna add a little dish soap too. We read the directions that said it makes this a little bit more. So Jane, you wanna give it one little pump? Just half a pump. That's good. So first we're gonna add the baking soda. So we made just a little funnel here. So we're gonna add the baking soda.
Hey, I'll put it in.
Okay. Now we're gonna add the citric acid. Careful, don't spill it. Get it right in there in the middle.
Here.
Yeah. And now the water. All right, back up, Jane. Let's see if this works. Zoom in.
It's about to come.
Here it goes. It's going. See, it's coming over. We didn't get all the water in.
It's exploding.
What do you think, Jane? Look, it went straight down where our lava is too. Pretty cool, huh?
Okay, this time we're gonna do it again. That time we messed up.
Well, we didn't mess up. We just think we're gonna add twice as much this time to see if we can get an even bigger eruption.
Yeah.
Right, guys?
Right. Go up. That's even bigger. Oh my gosh.
Okay, let me add some more water. Don't touch, don't touch. Whoa.
Let's just add the whole water to make it really. Oh my god.
There it goes.
It's gonna go all over the place. Oh my gosh. It's gonna get
Here it goes. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that. Watch. Might be out of juice. It's all out of juice. That's a pretty good one though, right? High five, fun time.
If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye.